If you're planning to join a NASA Academy course, stop. Watch this video very carefully because I'm going to tell you how to get any of their courses at a much better value. If you're not interested in joining any of their courses, feel free to skip this video. For those who are interested, I will tell you how to get a 20% discount of any of their courses, but also I will tell you how to get extra unadvertised bonuses all for free at no additional cost to you. Those bonuses include exclusive ebooks, templates, and video courses worth more than $300. And here's how it works. For any NASA Academy course that you plan to enroll in, use my discount code Kelvin1. For example, if you're planning to enroll in the Content Creation Masterclass by Dear Aline at $397, at the checkout page, scroll down to the place where it says Have a Discount, click on it, at the promo code field, key in Kelvin1 and hit on Apply Code. Automatically, you will be entitled for a 20% discount, bringing you a saving of $79.4. After your purchase, do drop me an email at kelvin.lcabonus@gmail.com saying, "Hey Kelvin, I just enrolled in the NASA Academy course Masterclass for Content Creation by Dear Aline. Can I have my extra bonus, please?" After some verification, I will be sending you an email giving you access, lifetime access to my bonuses. The actual bonus will depend on the price of the course that you're enrolling in according to this chart. So for the Dear Aline course at $397, you will be eligible for my video editing course worth at $97. Amazing, right? For just one course, you're getting 20% off, plus you're getting an additional course. That's insane, right? The only reason why I'm able to give this for free is because when you use my promo code, I do get a small commission, and that's my way of saying thank you to you for using my promo code by gifting you an extra bonus. That will be helpful for you in your content creation journey. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have forgotten everything, just remember to use my promo code Kelvin1 on any NASA Academy course and email me at kelvin.lcabonus@gmail.com and I will be sending you your extra bonus. See you on the other side. Cheers. Goodbye.